Good everyone, good everyone. Welcome to my channel. We've got this HP laptop, HP EliteBook 840 G8. This laptop came in as a result of BIOS password. And I did a video before. Let me switch it on. I did a video before on a similar laptop like this, on the same model. So while I did the video, and I received a lot of comments saying, no, you didn't give us the details because the video was edited, I didn't put much details there. So I got some comment from a lot of people saying that the video was, they can't follow the procedure, but most people get it right. Others still keep asking me how to extract the file. How do I do? What do I need to do to extract the file? So now I will be doing the step by step how to unlock this password for free. You don't need to pay anyone. You can do it on your own. I will be teaching you how to do it step by step. Okay? Because the one I did before, if you can go check out that video, it's kind of edited, But this one, I will be doing it step by step. Okay? Step by step. Okay? Firstly, let's open up the laptop. Let's open up the laptop. Because the first video I did was quite short. I think it was around 7 minutes video. I just hope this won't take much time. Okay? I've got another comment from another guy on the first video which I did, that he followed my procedure, then he ended up having endpoint security. You see, the endpoint security on HP laptop, that's when you put in a file. Let's assume, for instance, you took the BIOS from the website, from a HP website. You extract the BIOS from the HP website. So when you try to program that kind of file into this laptop, you end up having endpoint security notification. Okay, so let's try to open up the laptop. And also, I also got a comment from another person saying that, oh, it works on other HP model. It works on other HP model, and I was really happy about that because I've only tried it on this specific model, So it's good to share IBS like this, Okay, there we are. The laptop is open. Remember, this laptop has two chips. Both chips are 32. We've got the main BIOS 32 chip, 32 MB, and the EC 32 MB. Okay, so we'll be working with the EC chip. The EC chip, it's on the other side of the board. Let me zoom back a little bit. The EC is on the other side of the board. So firstly, let's disconnect the battery. Let's disconnect the battery. Firstly, disconnect the battery. Like I said, I will be teaching you step by step on how to unlock this thing. Firstly, you disconnect the battery. And there was another comment which I received on that video saying, you didn't show us how to extract the file. Come on, if you are a technician, or you you've got knowledge of IT or knowledge of repairs, you should be able to know that when you want to extract a file, you need a programmer. You understand? You need a programmer. So those comments which I was receiving, it sounds somehow to me. You know, if when I do this kind of thing and you have a basic knowledge of repairs, you need to have a programmer and a hot air, which is a rework station. Okay, let's take out the battery. You need a hot air rework station. Okay, so like I said to you before, here you see here is the main BIOS, the main one, 32. So the one we are going to work on now, it's on the other side of the board. Okay, it's also 32 MB. Okay, so let's get to the other side of the board. Let's get to the other side of the board. You know, this process, if you follow this process step by step, it's free. Like I said before, it's free. To unlock that, it's free. All you have to do, follow my process step by step. I don't know if you see what I'm just trying to get to the other side of the board. Remember the first video I made on this modem, all this process, I didn't have to record all this process, but hence I've received a lot of comments saying that no, give us detail by details how you unlock the laptop. So that's why I'm decided to do it this way, so that you can see detail by details. I'm trying to take out the board from the casing. Okay, there are more screws to take out. As you can see on this side, there are more screws to take out. Okay, by the way, thanks to everyone that have subscribed to my channel. And if you are watching this video now, you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe for more repair videos like this. Okay, kindly subscribe for more repair videos like this. Okay, there are more things to take out from the board. Take that one out. The charging connector out. Okay, what else? There's other screw here also. And also the fan. Guys, this is step by step as being requested on this model. Okay, remember we're trying to get to the other side of the board. We are trying to get to the other side of the board. Okay, I think here we are on the other side of the board. Okay, so let's take out the case, then we'll left with our board. Okay, now let me zoom in. That's behind the processor. The chip we are going to work on is behind the processor. Okay, I hope this is clear enough. Okay, here's the chip over here. It's also 32 MB, but it's the EC chip. While the one over here, oh, I don't think you can see that. The one over here is the main BIOS chip, while the one here is the EC chip. Okay, so we'll be working with the EC chip. We will be working with the EC chip. So let's desolder it. Like I said, you will need a solder hot hair to do that. Okay, to desolder it, you need a hot hair to do that. Okay, there you go, the chip is out. So what we need to do now, let's put the board aside. So we need an adapter to solder the chip on. We need an adapter, you see that? We need to solder the chip here on this adapter so that we can read it on our programmer. Okay, guys, you said step by step. I'm showing you step by step. That's when you want to extract the file, this is what you do. When you want to extract the file from a chip, you need to have this programmer and the adapter. Okay, let's hope our chip is soldered properly. Let's hope it's soldered properly. Then I'll grab the programmer now. Here is the programmer. Okay, here is the programmer. Remember, this chip is 3.3 volts IC. The IC is a bit hot. I'm just trying to cool it down a little bit. Try to cool down a little bit. It's a bit hot. Okay, remember it's 3.3 volts IC. Okay, I'll plug the programmer now. Let's go. Let's do this together, guys. You stay step by step. I'm going to show you guys step by step. Okay, I'm going to show you guys step by step. Okay, here's our IC here. Select. As you can see, let's do that again. You see 3.3 volts. That's the IC, 3.3 volts. Okay, select. Then read. Read means we are trying to read it, then extract it. Okay, read. You see, you'll be wondering, okay, how will I differentiate from the main BIOS and the EC chip? I will also show you that. The main BIOS and the EC chip, because the files are not the same. So you should be able, but the IC is the same. The IC chip is the same. It has the same, what's it called? The same size, 32 megabytes. 32 megabyte, the EC chip, the main chip, 32 megabytes. So you should be able to differentiate between the two. I will show you how to do that. Okay, while the IC is reading, let's be patient. Step by step, guys. That is what you guys requested for. You requested for step by step, how to do this step by step, free of charge. Okay, just be patient. still reading. In the meantime, I need to put some lead on this track. I'll show you. I need to put some lead on the track. I need to, and also take note on the side of the IC, the IC position. Please take note. Please take note. You see the sign there? This sign there, over here. Yeah, you must take note. Though it's not be visible, but take note. When you're taking it out, you must be sure. Take a note of that. Okay, let's just reflush the seat. Okay, I think it's a bit okay. So let's check now how far is our reading. Okay, it's quite big, 32 megabyte. That's why it's taking time, but it's getting there. Okay, and also when after you have extracted the file or you've read the file, what you do next, you save the file. Okay, and have it in mind, you need to have this software called HX. I'll show you now. Where is it now? You need to have this software called the software called HES Workshop. HEX Workshop. You must download it and it's free. Download it, it's free. You need to have this software installed on your computer or laptop. It's still downloading, but we are getting there. It's still downloading. We are getting there. This is HP EliteBook 840 G8 11th generation. Core i5, then 11th generation. It's using an SSD card. Okay, I think we're getting there, almost there. There you go. We've managed to read the file. You see, it says sources. So what we need to do now, the next step we need to take now, we need to save this file. Okay, let's save this file. You choose your own location where you want the file to be saved. Let's save this file. Okay, that is the main. I'll show you now. That is the main which I've extracted already. Okay, this one is the EC. Okay, let's save it. Saved. You see that? So we have successfully extract the file from the chip. For those of you that are asking me how to extract the file, we have successfully extracted the file from that chip. So what do we need to do next now? Let's go back to where the chip is saved. Okay, let's close. Okay, let's close this for now. Let's go back. It's save on desktop. I save it on desktop. Where is the file now? There's the file. Okay, as you can see here, we have two files here, and if you can, as you can see here, we have two files. The first one is the EC, while the second one is the main. Okay, let's differentiate it now. Let's start from main. Remember, I said to you, you must have this software, the HEX workshop. You see, you right click on the file which you have just extracted, then select HEX edit. Okay, so this is the main BIOS file. Easy identification. You can 16, you see this dot 16 before the Z. 16 before the Z. That's the main. Let's close this. Then the EC. Here is the EC. There's nothing on the starting point of the EC. So the main has dot, has Z after. You see that? This is the main. Easy identification. If you want to identify the main and the EC, this is the easiest way to identify this. Okay, let's proceed. Close this. Remember, we'll be working with the EC, not the main. Okay, let's proceed. EC, here's the EC file now on the HEX workshop. So what do we need to do? Come here, find. You see there, the thing that looks like a what's it called? Balacros. Is it Balacros? Yeah. You come here, you click find. You come search active. First select the type, say text type active. Then select all. Then you click OK. Did you see that here? Okay, from here now you select the active REGN. Select down. You keep going down. What we're doing now, we are modifying the what's it called, the BIOS, the EC file. Okay, there you go. You stop here. Okay, you stop here. Now what you need to do next, right click. You see, check my mouse cursor. Just right click on any position here. Right click. Click on fill. So you fill it with FF, capital letter F2. Then say OK. Did you see that? That means it's empty. It's empty. So what do we need to do next? You go back again. File. Save as. So now it will be unlocked. Unlocked. Save as. Unlocked. Okay, we're done. Let's go back to our program. Let's go back to the program and now to program that file which we just edited. Okay, let's go back to our programmer. Okay, detect again is there. Select. Now you select the file which you've just edited. Okay, open. Then with password, okay. You see that it's not showing here. I must change the file type, you see, to put it on file. You see, the type is not the bin type, it's file, okay. You see, it's showing now after I've changed it from bin type to be file, okay. So it's showing now. Did you see that? Then select the file which we have unlocked, okay. Open. Then let's program now. So it's going to erase the old file on the chip, then program this new file which we've just edited, okay. It's gonna take time. Let's be patient. It's the process we have to take when you have to do step-by-step unlocking as being requested by my subscribers, okay. As being requested by my subscriber. So in this process now is erasing the memory, which is that IC. Is busy erasing it. So I can't believe this. It's 26 minutes already. 26 minutes already. And just imagine the first video which I did, it was 7 minutes. The first video. Now it's busy programming now. It's busy programming now. The first video I did was 7 minutes. But it was very brief. And I learned that most people didn't understand it. That's why I decided, no, let's do this in a proper way so that we can be able to follow the step by step. But at least we're getting there. We're getting there, okay? There are also more which I've unlocked. If you want to see more of those videos, you can check on my videos. Other model which I've unlocked, Dell, the MacBook, I've done that as well. So you can check out the videos. You can check out the videos. Okay, let's be patient with it. Is the process we have to take when your subscriber requested something, you know. It's a step they have to take whilst they are learning, you know. And there is nothing I can do. I have to be patient to wait for the programming to go through, though it's taking its own time, but what can I do? It is a special request, okay. It is a special request, but oh, we're getting there. We're getting there. Let's just switch a little bit. We're getting there. You know, the board is running 16 gig 11th generation. It's quite a nice board, eh? It's quite a nice board. It's quite a nice board. It's quite a nice board. Nice chipsets. Okay. You got a SSD here. See that? It will be fast. I promise you. $512. $512. Well, that's good compared to old laptops. Oh, this one will be so fast, super fast. Let's check our programming. Super fast. Okay, we are getting there. Slowly but surely, we're getting there. Slowly but surely, we are getting there. So after this process now, it's going to verify the chip. Then after that, then we can put back the chip. So if you want to get this program, you can get it on eBay or AliExpress. Okay, it's quite cheaper there. Then just get it there and do yourself good. And there are more. You see, the one I'm using and this programmer, the programmer which I'm using, it's quite slow. They are quite faster programmer there in the market, you know. But the one I'm using, it's slow, but it does the job. But time-wise, it's slow. Time-wise, it's slow. Doesn't necessarily mean you have to buy the same one which I'm using. You can buy higher one than this. You know, you can buy higher one than this. If you have the patience which I have, you know, I know some people don't have that patience. You won't be patient enough to wait for a programmer to finish maybe 8 minutes or 10 minutes, you know, just to program a single chip, you know, just to program a single chip. But that's the case. There's nothing I can do. I have to wait. As long as it does this job, I have to wait. Okay, so this is the last process. It's just busy verifying our programming. It's busy verifying the programming now. So once it's done, then we can take back the chip back to the board. No, after that I'll be very quick, because if ever once the chip is back to the board, then I will do the testing. You know, when the chip is back to the board, I will do the testing. So there won't be no need for me to be putting it back, like assembling the laptop while the video is still on. There won't be no need for that. I guess everyone, if you can take out the laptop, you should be able to put it back easily, to my best understanding. If you can disassemble them, you should be able to put them back again. Okay, let's quickly check how far is it now. Almost there. We are almost there. It's almost there. But try to follow the steps step by step. Otherwise, you will repeat the process again. Like I said to you before, I've got someone that commented. He said, no, this process didn't work for my laptop. It's complaining of the endpoint security. I said to him, go back to the video, follow the process step by step. And he did. And he later came back to say, oh, it's working now. You see, you need to follow the process. Stop jumping the process, you know. Stop fast forwarding, you know, so that you won't do the same thing again. You see, you just have to follow the process by process, then you get the result. It's almost there, though it's leaping. It's leaping. It's going slowly, 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 but it's getting there. It is getting there. It is getting there. Okay. Let's check on the other side. Oh, the thing. Okay. Just gonna zoom in where the IC is going to fit. Like I said to you before, know the positive and the IC position. The IC position. Know the IC position. It faces this direction. It faces this direction. See this line there? Must make note of this line. There's a line up there. Yeah. That will be able to tell you the position it's facing. Okay. Let's check on our IC. How is it doing? How is it doing? Come on, come on. It's slow. It's very slow, but hey, there's nothing we can do. We have to wait. If you have watched this video this far, so you just have to wait. There's nothing we can do to see the end of the end result. Okay, it's going fast now. It's like he heard me complaining. You see that? It's going faster now. Like I said to you, if you missed a step of this video, you will have to do it again. Just imagine stripping a laptop, doing this process wrongly. After you have assembled the laptop, then you find out that the laptop is not even switching on. Remember, if the file is wrong, the laptop won't switch on. Or maybe if the IC is not soldered properly, the laptop will not switch on. The light will be flashing. The caps lock will flash once, then goes off. When you try to power it on, it will flash, then it goes off, which is the caps lock. So I advise you take it slowly, by surely. Then the end point will give us a good result. There you go. I think we've got the programming is completed now. Yeah, it's success. Okay, let's go back to our main thing. Let's desolder the IC. Okay, let's desolder it. Let me just hang it here. Let's desolder it quickly. Okay, the IC is out now. Okay, this one can go on one side. Remember to add some lead, some solder to your IC, to the track, so that it can fit properly. Okay, I just want to be careful. I don't want to do this thing twice. Okay, I just want to be careful. I don't want to do it twice. Okay, think the IC is properly soldered to the best of my knowledge. I think it's properly soldered. Okay, I think it's properly soldered. Let me just cool it down a little bit. Let's cool it down a little bit before we put it back to the laptop, to the case. Okay, let's see, cool down. Okay, if you've gone this far, you've tried. Okay, let's put back the laptop to the case now. If you've gone this far, you have tried. So let's see the end result. The end result. Let's look at the end result. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's quickly put it together, the laptop. Okay, I think there. Let's connect this quickly. Connecting the touchpad, a backlight. Connect the backlight now. That's the keyboard light, what I'm calling backlight, the keyboard light. The CMOS battery connected. Then the fingerprints. Okay. Let me put few screws. A few screws. Then we can test together, okay? Okay. Okay, no, it's fine. I will continue after the testing. Let's check together. Where's the charger now? Charger connected. Laptop is on. It's going to restart 3 times. Don't forget that. It's trying to recognize the new programming the new file which we edited. Okay, I don't know if you can see. I'm trying to press F10 to take me to the BIOS setup. The fan is spinning so fast. That means it's trying to recognize the new file which we just programmed. Okay. Shut down. It's off now. Remember I said to you it's gonna restart again. It's restarting. I think that's the second time now, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, shut down again. Be patient in this process. It's trying to recognize the new file which we just programmed. Okay. If I see the screen light now, then I'll press F10 to take me to the BIOS setup. Okay. The third time, after the third time, it will restart. Oh, there you go. You see endpoint security. Okay. It's complaining about the CMOS battery, which I took out post error. Okay. Enter. You press enter. Then F10. Okay. F10 to take us to the BIOS setup. Okay. F10. Okay. It's going to BIOS setup. There you go. The laptop is open. You see that? The laptop is open. Okay, come here. Apply factory default. Yes. It will restart again. F10. Enter setup. Okay, it's coming. It's restarting. Enter setup again. There you go. The laptop is open. Okay. Did you see that? The laptop is open. So you can make your changes and all that. Okay. I think I will stop this video now. There's no point for me putting this laptop together while the video is still on. Okay. There's no point at all. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video, though it took a long time. I think it's almost 50 minutes. Okay, just to follow the step by step, then it will bring you to this process, to the end point, which the end point is what you want. The laptop is open, free of charge. You don't need to pay anyone. You don't need to buy the file. You don't need to do anything. You do it on your own. Then you will have this result. Okay, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a good comment. I will definitely see you on the next video. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.